Hey, this is part two of the video that you should have been watching. Uh, if you want to go ahead and try them on your own before actually watching this video, you can. But I'm going to go ahead and start talking about it. So number four, first of all, I notice that that is not just a plain x squared. So I'm going to make an x squared by dividing everything by 3. So again, always make sure that all of your terms, oops, why did I put a negative? All Every single time we do not want a number in front of your x squared. So we are left with x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 7. Now this one's going to be a little messy. I'm going to have to deal with a little bit of fractions or decimals, but it's okay. It's not too bad. So again, I don't want this minus 1 here, so I'm going to add it to the other side to get x squared minus 3x equals 8. Okay, and take your b term, so negative 3 over 2. Well, that's not going to give me a whole number, but it is negative 1.5, so I'm just going to leave it like that. The negative 1.5 squared is going to give me 2.25. So I'm going to add 2.25 to both sides. So when I go to write the part on the left, remember we're just using this minus 1.5, so x minus 1.5 squared equals 8 plus 2.25 is 10.25. Take the square root of both sides. Left with x minus 1.5 equals, again, anytime you take the square root of a number, it's positive or negative. The square root of 10.25 is about 3.2 according to my calculator. So I'm going to set up my two equations. I have x minus 1.5 equals positive 3.2 and x minus 1.5 equals negative 3.2. So the equation on the left, instead of minus 1.5, I will add 1.5 to get x equals 4.7. And then on the right, again, add 1.5 to get negative 1.7. Okay, two more. Number 5, again, notice that's not just a plain x squared, so divide all of your terms by negative 2 to get rid of that. So we're left with x squared minus 5x equals 7. It's already set up like I want. There's no extra number on the left, so go ahead and take your b and divide it by 2. Again, negative 5 over 2 is not going to give me a whole number. Oh well, we get negative 2.5. Negative 2.5 squared is 6.25. So I'm going to add 6.25 to both sides. So on the left, when I go to factor that, I'm just going to use this term. So x minus 2.5 squared. Oops. 7 plus 6.25 is 13.25. I'm going to take the square root of both sides to get rid of this part being squared. Left with x minus 2.5 equals positive or negative. Square root of 13.25 is about 3.6. And then set up your two equations. We got x minus 2.5 equals positive 3.6 and x minus 2.5 equals negative 3.6. So the equation on the left, add 2.5 to get x equals 6.1. And then the equation on the right, add 2.5 to get x equals negative 1.1. So those would be my two solutions. Number 6, I have no number in front of my x squared, but I have this 5 that I need to move over to the right side. So I get x squared plus 6x equals 7. Take your b, divide it by 2 to get 3. And then 3 squared is 9. So add 9 to both sides. We get x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. The part on the left, we just use the b divided by 2 term, so x plus 3 squared equals 7 plus 9 is 16. Take the square root of both sides, and finally we're going to get whole numbers again. Yay! So on the left, x plus 3. Square root of 16 is positive or negative 4. except for two equations, x plus 3 equals positive 4 and x plus 3 equals negative 4. Equation on the left, subtract 3 to get x equals 1 as one of my solutions. Subtract 3 on the equation on the right to get x equals negative 7 as my second solution. Okay. While working on this, if you have any questions, please let me know and I will help you.